How can you avoid charging and contamination in SEM samples? Imagine trying to get a clear picture of a tiny object, but static and dirt keep messing up the view. That's what happens in scanning electron microscopy when samples aren't prepared properly. If you want sharp, accurate images, you need to control charging and contamination. Let's explore how to do that step by step. First, charging happens when non-conductive samples trap electrons from the electron beam. This causes image distortions and makes details hard to see. To prevent this, you can coat the sample with a thin layer of a conductive material like gold, platinum, or carbon. The coating should be just enough, usually between 2 and 5 nanometers thick, so it doesn't hide surface features but still provides a path for electrons to escape. Gold is popular because it's easy to sputter coat and shows good contrast, but if you need elemental analysis, carbon might be better since it interferes less. Next, lowering the electron beam's energy helps. Using a voltage between 2 and 5 kilovolts reduces how deep electrons go into the sample. This limits charge buildup and keeps the image stable. Keep in mind, lower voltage can mean less detail, so find a balance that works for your sample. Another trick is to use low vacuum or variable pressure modes. These modes introduce a small amount of gas inside the chamber. The gas molecules help neutralize trapped electrons, reducing charging. This method is especially useful for samples that are naturally insulative or sensitive. However, it may decrease the clarity of your images, so weigh the benefits. Good sample handling also matters. Make sure your sample is properly grounded by attaching it to the stage with conductive tape or adhesives. Avoid handling samples with bare hands to prevent oils and dirt from contaminating the surface. Using gloves and clean tools keeps everything tidy and prevents unwanted residues. Contamination is another big concern. Dust, oils, or residues from handling can obscure details or cause artifacts. Always work in clean environments and handle samples with care. When applying coatings, avoid excessive thickness because it can mask surface features. Use the right sputtering parameters to get a uniform, thin layer. Choosing the right mounting media is also key. Some adhesives or tapes can leave residues or react with the sample. Pick materials that are compatible and won't introduce new contaminants. Handling samples gently and in controlled atmospheres helps keep surfaces pristine. In failure analysis and mechanical breakdown investigations, these precautions are vital. Artifacts from charging or contamination can hide cracks, corrosion, or interface issues. Proper preparation ensures you see the true surface features, making it easier to identify the root cause of failures. By following these steps, you'll get clearer images and more reliable analysis results every time.